Welcome to Sellvia Academy. Today we'll dive into the world of social media marketing. In today's digital age, promoting your e-commerce business on social media isn't just an option, it's a necessity. According to researchers, a typical American social media user now spends 2 hours and 18 minutes a day using social platforms. On average, that means that social media accounts for 36% of our daily online activities. Social networks are a great place to reach your customers as they spend their time on social media exploring content and making purchase decisions. In this video, we are going to guide you through everything you need to know about the essentials of effective social media marketing and show you how you can skyrocket your business using the most popular social media platforms. So, why promote your store on social media? Today's social media is the ultimate tool for businesses looking to expand their reach and connect with customers. With billions of users globally, social networks offer an enormous audience for businesses of all sizes. You can communicate directly with consumers, offering a blend of marketing, customer service, and community building. So, get ready to elevate your business to new heights through the power of social media. How can you use social media for your business? Increase brand awareness. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, with their multi-billion user bases, provide an easy way to introduce your brand to potential customers. Drive sales. Direct links to product pages and integrated shopping features make it easy for potential customers to move from browsing to purchasing. Build customer loyalty. Regular interaction through posts, comments, and direct messages helps strengthen customer relationships and loyalty. Gather insights. Social media offers tools to analyze customer behavior and preferences, enabling you to tailor your offerings to meet customer needs. What social media platforms are popular? So, let's talk about the most popular social media platforms. Some of them are Facebook, the largest social network with over 3 billion monthly active users, providing a broad demographic range for targeted marketing. Instagram, with 2 billion users. Instagram is a powerful platform for brands focusing on visual storytelling. It's particularly effective for lifestyle and product-based companies. TikTok is the fastest growing social media platform with over 1 billion monthly active users, predominantly of younger age. It's particularly effective for viral marketing and trend setting. Pinterest. With 450 million users, Pinterest is ideal for businesses in fashion, home decor, and DIY projects, acting as a visual search engine to inspire users and drive traffic to websites. What are the key social media trends? You need to understand the current trends dominating social media to promote your business successfully. Here are the key ones. Video content dominance. Short-form videos continue to drive user engagement and capture user attention effectively. Videos from TikTok and Instagram Reels are good examples of this trend. Social media is a new search engine. More people are now using social networks to search for products. 31% of consumers use social media to find what they need, including ideas for products to shop, and 40% of 18 to 24-year-olds prefer using Instagram or TikTok to search over Google. Influencer collaborations. Leveraging influencers for marketing remains an effective strategy to reach specific audiences. This trend is growing, driven by micro-influencers gaining high engagement rates in niche markets. User-generated content. Content created by influencers and real users impact buyers, inspiring them to shop for new products and making it easier to convert them into loyal customers. Growing number of small businesses. Social media has become a game changer for small businesses, providing access to markets, clients, and advertising capabilities that were previously unexpected. Direct communication between sellers and buyers. Social media has become the easiest way for customers to communicate with sellers, resolve their concerns, and receive high-quality services. So, how to promote your store on social media? Promoting your online store on social networks involves a blend of organic and paid strategies. Let's discuss each one of them in more detail. Organic social media marketing is a free way to promote your business online. With the right approach, organic social media marketing allows you to build and engage with your audience naturally, gaining loyal buyers without any added investments. Here are 4 elements of high organic reach. Follow our tips and you will boost your business considerably. Consistent and quality content. Post high-quality images, engaging videos, and informative text that aligns with your brand voice and values. This content should offer value to your audience through entertainment, information, or both. Engagement. To build a community around your brand, actively engage with your followers. Respond to their comments and messages, participate in conversations, and give recommendations to make them feel you are eager to help them. Also, encourage your customers to share creative content related to your products. Search engine optimization for social media. Analyze trending keywords in your niche with tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, or Ahrefs and use them to increase the visibility of your posts. So now let's talk about paid promotion strategies. Paid promotion on social media can significantly enhance your reach and target specific demographics more effectively. Here are 3 main aspects of successful paid promotion. Targeted ads. Explore successful advertising campaigns to get inspiration for creating your campaigns and content or replicating the campaigns you like. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok offer effective targeting options based on demographics, behavior, and interests. Sponsored content. Find popular influencers in your niche on social media and partner with them to create sponsored posts. It will help you reach a broader audience, and you can become an influencer yourself and promote your store and your products. Promotions and giveaways. Running promotions or giveaways can skyrocket engagement and visibility. So, what exactly should you post and how often should you do this? Let's dive in. Different platforms favor different content formats. For example, Instagram Reels and TikTok videos are great for quick, engaging clips, while longer form content may perform better on Facebook. Here are some tips for posting frequency. 3 to 7 posts a week on Instagram, 3 to 5 posts a week on Facebook, 1 to 5 tweets a day on Twitter, 3 to 5 pins a day on Pinterest. It's crucial to analyze what content works best for your audience and adjust your strategy as you go. You should monitor engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Share your content from one platform to another and encourage your followers to engage with you on multiple platforms. Adapt your content to suit each platform's unique features and audience. What works on one platform may not work on another. Each social network has its strengths and audience preferences, so tailoring your content and strategy can maximize your outreach and impact. How to make the most of social media marketing? Are you looking to maximize your social media marketing efforts with minimal work? We at Sellvia can help you create and manage social media accounts to attract new customers and effectively engage with them. Our service includes expertly created and maintained social media accounts for your business, reaching a potential audience of 6.4 billion users. Time-tested strategies for high traffic and sales, including content creation and targeted advertising to drive traffic and sales to your store. A vibrant and trustworthy social media presence that encourages more interactions and transactions. Effortless social media growth on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest with 0 effort and maximum rewards. In addition, we also offer special packages on social media bestsellers that are constantly updated, including Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook bestsellers. Each package includes 100 trendiest high-margin products, high-quality videos, promo materials, and a step-by-step guide to help you leverage the power of social media for your business growth. If you are still uncertain about promoting your business on social media, here are testimonials from real entrepreneurs. A successful dogs merchandise business. Daniel's story. Daniel's love for dogs turned into more than just a hobby. It sparked a thriving business. Instagram posts featuring his dog, Indiana, were the beginning, and they quickly became popular. His account grew to become a community hub for dog lovers. Recognizing an opportunity, Daniel launched his line of custom dog merchandise, turning his followers into customers. Daniel's journey illustrates how a passion can transform into a lucrative business, demonstrating how social media can lead to unexpected success. So, what are you waiting for? Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to check all the tips and links below.